This demonstration here is just to show you. This is 1979 that this vinyl dryer vent was put in. So let's see if you can see that on the inside there. This had busted off because of the duct tape that the original installers used, with no clamps, nothing else, no joining union, nothing. So it was obviously a big pile of lint left inside the void of between the first and second floors, and I replaced it with rigid piping all the way out. So I'm just going to cut this out and show you what it looks like on the inside all the way through. You can see that already. Yikes. And yes, I'm using my aviation snips to cut this. Ignore an old one. You know what? It's an old one. I don't care. You can see it's a little tougher though. Yikes, man. Sorry about the boring video, folks. This is purely educational. I couldn't pass it up. Here we go, I'll turn it around for you. Alright, that's opened up on the inside. Obviously, I have a push the plug through here on the other side. You see all that junk in there. Scrape this out just to show you. So if you thanks. Whew, it's pretty dusty, ain't it? So that's what you get after you don't check your stuff after, let's say 30 years, 32 years. That was built up, and there was another 13 feet along with that was pretty clean in general, because it was disconnected for who God knows how long. But there you go, it's a little short demonstration coming to you from William Kraft from Kraft Fix It Dryer Vent Cleaning Services in West Hawaii. Take care and have a good day.